Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect pork chops in your air fryer. First, select pork chops that are about 1 inch thick, whether bone-in or boneless. Pat them thoroughly dry to ensure a crispy exterior. Then, season both sides generously with your preferred blend of spices and herbs for maximum flavor. Preheating is key for even cooking. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the seasoned pork chops in a single layer within the basket, ensuring they don't overlap. Cook them for 12 to 15 minutes, making sure to flip them over halfway through the cooking time for uniform browning. To ensure your pork chops are perfectly cooked and safe to eat, check their internal temperature. It should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. A reliable meat thermometer is essential for this. Once cooked, transfer the chops to a plate and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping them tender and juicy. Now for the best part, serving your delicious air-fried pork chops. They pair wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad. For a classic touch, consider serving them with applesauce or even a quick pan sauce. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, tender, and incredibly flavorful pork chops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.